Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some pineapple, celery, cucumber and ginger juice. Okay guys, so I'm back with another juicing recipe, and today we're doing pineapple, cucumber, celery and ginger juice. Now everything is already washed, including my pineapple. I'll be actually using the skin in another recipe, so stay tuned for that video. I'm going to show you guys how you can make a very refreshing drink using the pineapple skin. So the only thing that I'll be peeling is my ginger and pineapple, of course. Peeling the ginger is optional. You can actually juice it with the skin on. Just make sure that you wash it well. Also, the celery leaf is actually edible, so I will be juicing the celery with the leaves on. Pineapples are great for inflammation and helps to promote weight loss. They're rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, B vitamins and manganese. And manganese helps with things like bone health and metabolism. Like most fruits, pineapples have a lot of fiber, and it's also said that they help to reduce the risk of cancer. The juicer that I'm using I bought on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description to purchase if you're interested. I did a review on it in this video here, so if you want to know more in detail about this juicer, you can go ahead and watch the video here. Cucumbers have similar benefits to pineapples, such as aiding in weight loss and helps to fight inflammation. They have a lot of fiber as well, and one major benefit of cucumber is that it's great for hydration, as a large percentage of it is actually water, and cucumbers help to promote healthy skin. Celery also fights inflammation. It alkalizes the body, which in turn helps it to fight cancer. It's also a great source of vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium and folate. Ginger is also great for inflammation. It helps a lot with bloating. The antioxidants in ginger helps to fight free radicals, which in turn helps to prevent cell damage. Go ahead and add this healthy, refreshing juice to your juice recipes. I have tons of other recipes. Click here on the screen so you can check them out. I'll leave them in the description as well, along with this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me on my other socials and visit the website. All links are in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.